Are you tired of the same old Teachers' Day speeches? This one brings a fresh perspective on what teachers mean to us today. In this speech, we will talk about teachers and the world we live in today. So let's deep dive in our speech. Teachers' Day gives us an opportunity to recognize the people who shape not only our education, but also the way we think and understand the world. In today's digital age, teachers help us use technology, information, and artificial intelligence with knowledge, responsibility, and good judgment. Modern education is not limited to textbooks, as teachers encourage curiosity, creativity, critical thinking, and the confidence to ask meaningful questions. Teachers also help students develop skills such as communication, collaboration, problem solving, and adaptability, which are essential for the future. Beyond academic knowledge, teachers help us understand values like empathy, respect, honesty, and responsibility in an increasingly connected world. A teacher's guidance becomes especially valuable when students face failure, confusion, or self-doubt and need the courage to begin again. Teachers prepare us not merely to score well in examinations, but to face real-life challenges, make informed decisions, and continue learning throughout life. In a world where information is available everywhere, the true importance of a teacher lies in helping students distinguish knowledge from misinformation and wisdom from mere information. The lessons received in a classroom may change with time, but the ability to think independently, learn continuously, and contribute positively to society remains valuable for life. On Teachers' Day, we express our gratitude to every teacher whose knowledge, patience, and guidance help shape the responsible citizens and thoughtful human beings of tomorrow. Thank you for listening.